Hello, Nadine here, artist in residence for Imagine Crafts. Since June is the month for weddings, I thought it was a perfect time to share how I created this simple yet elegant wedding card. To start, I started with a black piece of cardstock and some stamps from Inkadinkado and stamped up the stamp with some VersaMark. And then repeating the same thing with the sentiment using the VersaMark ink. And now I'm going to go in and use some winter white embossing powder. This embossing powder is from Stampendous and it has some silver sparkles in it. White with silver sparkles. Heating it up with my heat tool. And now I'm going to go back in with some more stamping and the VersaMark with a stamp from Basic Gray. I'm just kind of going around the outside of the cardstock, sort of doing a frame around the original stamp. And once I get these all stamped around the outside on the cardstock, I use some embossing powder from Imagine Crafts, the Iridescent. When the iridescent embossing powder first goes on, it looks white. And then once you'll see when I heat it up, it gets into it's clear with a really pretty like iridescent look to it. And you can see how it's, once it heats up, it changes. Now using the Delicata and shimmery white and a jumbo dauber, I'm just going to go in and kind of just rub into the black cardstock over that embossed area. And once I get this the way I like it, I take a dry paper towel and go back over those flowers just to get it off of the top of the embossed area. And then once again, going back in with the same stamp and the Delicata ink, adding a few more of those stamps. And once I get the look that I like, I adhere it to layers of black and white card base, added some pearls, and I was done. Pretty simple. These cards can be used as a wedding invitation or for a wedding that you're going to. Pretty easy and elegant. Thanks for watching, and make sure to visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration.